Friends, running kimono here. I hope you guys are all doing fantastic and your eyes are not deceiving you for a free 3-pack of the Tide to Go pens and a $4.99 Charmin Forever roll with the stand and 2 rolls. Is this your Christmas and birthday? I don't know, but for $4.99, I mean, that's a price point that all of us love. I want to give a very special shout out and thank you to Brody Saves. Many influencers posted the Charmin deal. She was the first that I saw that actually went in the store and did it. So special shout out and credit to her. She's on every social media, including YouTube. Really fantastic couponer based out of Texas. So thank you, Brody. Now at the store specifically, it's Albertsons, which is more like Texas, California, that part of the US. Although Shaw's is an affiliate store. Jewel Osco is out of Chicago. I'm a freaking nerd if I know all this. But any of these affiliate stores, you might be able to score this deal. Unfortunately, if you are living like where I live in very remote Michigan, it's not happening. But if you live near one of these stores, you have an Albertson affiliate, possibly you can do this deal if you can track it down. So currently this Forever roll with it, so it's called a starter kit. It has 2 rolls and then the 1 stand. It's on clearance for $9.99. The original price was $39.99. I think it was like part of Christmas where a lot of stores started putting this in stock. Just a novelty sort of item, and a lot of people just looked at that and they're like, absolutely not. So the fact that they're still in the store, that's what makes it so fantastic. And you can always check your Albertson or affiliate app. Is it there? Yes or no. So as you saw the price, it's $9.99. There's a $5 digital, dropping one of these per account down to $4.99. Go and do this deal ASAP. I have never seen it for this price point, and that's just absolutely, I mean, if you score this deal, I am so jealous because, I mean, this is something I've always wanted in my stockpile or to try. It's just an amazing product for $4.99. And it's a huge amount of toilet paper for $4.99. Now, it's not the refill roll, it's this starter pack only, so please pay attention to that. And again, it's at these Albertson and affiliate stores. I know that, like, Chicago has Jewel Osco. I would definitely try to go to a couple stores and look for them. Like, why not? Now we're going to go to Walmart. And I will let you guys know at Walmart, there's still a large amount of these. They did not take off with consumers. I think they just think this is a weird product. I think it's somewhat a novelty for Charmin. And, you know, if you have a really large family, obviously it's probably a great product. But it just didn't take off with average consumers. So there's still a lot. And if one store is starting to clear them out, I think it's going to be a lot more stores. When this information specifically shows up for Walmart, I'll let you guys know. At Walmart, though, this 3-pack of the Tide pens is $7.88. And for this deal, we are using the Fetch Rewards app. Currently, if you might have the same rebate as it's 1,000 points back for each dollar spent. So if you're spending $7.88, you're getting back 7,888 points with a limit of up to 1 time. You can either get the 3-pack or the 1-pack. And these pens are, in case you have a little stain or something like that, you just color on it and it makes it disappear. And I believe this rebate will go really quickly. Anyone can do this if you have the Fetch Rewards app and you have this rebate. So double check before you go into the store. But there's nothing better than free Tide to Go pens. And I would go and do this deal like ASAP. And it's Thursday, March the 12th, first thing in the morning. Check if you have it and throw this on the list. And if you have an Albertsons and score that toilet paper, let us know. So all of us that don't can be so jealous. But I wish you guys good luck with hunting down that toilet paper because what a fantastic deal. That's it for this video. As always, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.